Hi, I'm Brian Boer with Boer Insurance Group. Thanks for joining me to talk about broad collision. What is broad collision and how does it apply if you're in an accident? In Michigan, there are three different types of collision coverage: limited, regular or standard, and broad form. Collision coverage in general is going to pay for the damage to your car if you're in an accident. Collision applies to hitting another vehicle, hitting a garage, or hitting a stop sign, among some other things. Let's take a look at the three different types of collision coverage available. First is limited collision coverage, and we rarely see this in Michigan. Limited collision means that your insurance company is only going to pay for the damage to your vehicle if you are not more than 50% at fault in the accident. Therefore, if you are at fault, you don't have any collision coverage. Even if you're not at fault, you have to pay your deductible before the insurance company will pay for the damage to your car. The second type of collision coverage is regular collision coverage. With regular collision coverage, your insurance company will pay for the damage to your vehicle, regardless of whether you are at fault or not, but your deductible is going to apply every time. The final and best type of collision coverage is broad collision coverage. With broad collision coverage, your insurance company will pay for the damage to your vehicle, yet if you are not at fault in the accident, your deductible is waived. Therefore, we often recommend broad form collision coverage with a higher deductible, either $500 or even $1,000, because if you are not at fault in the accident, you won't pay your deductible anyway. Therefore, it doesn't matter if your deductible is 0, 100, 500, or even 1,000, because it will be waived unless you are at fault. This is a great coverage to have because if you walk out of the Meijer parking lot and your car was hit while parked, you won't have to pay anything out of pocket to have it repaired. Thanks for joining me to talk about the different types of collision coverage. If you have any questions or would like to discuss in more detail, please give me an email and I'd be happy to get in touch with you. Thanks.